When someone approaches your home for the very first time, what do they see? Before they notice the interior, before they step inside your door, it is your front lawn that welcomes them. A front lawn is not just a patch of grass. It is the stage for first impressions, the frame around your home, the outdoor handshake that speaks before you do. And today, we will explore how to transform this space, whether large or small, into something inviting, meaningful, and beautiful.
Chapter 1: The Power of First Impressions. Your front lawn tells a story. A well-kept lawn whispers of care, order, and warmth. A neglected one can speak of chaos or disinterest. Studies in real estate even show that curb appeal can raise a property's value by more than 10%. But beyond money, there is pride and comfort in knowing that every time you return home, the sight that greets you inspires joy. Front lawn landscaping is about balance between aesthetics and function, between welcoming guests and giving you, the homeowner, a place to breathe. Chapter 2: The Foundation: Grass and Ground Cover. The very base of every front lawn is the ground. For many, this means grass, smooth, green, and even. Choices vary depending on climate: Bermuda, zoysia, Kentucky bluegrass, or rye. But grass is not the only option. Some homeowners prefer low-maintenance ground covers, like creeping thyme, moss, or clover, that require less water and mowing. Imagine walking barefoot on a fresh, cool surface that feels alive under your feet. That is the starting point of your design, the canvas upon which everything else is built. Chapter 3: Structure and Pathways. Once the ground is set, the next step is pathways. A walkway leading to your front door is not just practical, it is symbolic. It invites, it directs, it makes the guest feel guided, not lost. Stone slabs, brick pavers, or gravel paths can create rhythm in the landscape. Curved paths add a touch of mystery, while straight ones emphasize order and strength. Lining these paths with small plants or solar lights brings life to every step. Chapter 4: Layers of Green: Trees, Shrubs, and Flowers. Every great front lawn has layers, a visual symphony arranged from back to front. At the back, taller trees or ornamental plants provide shade and height. Mid-level shrubs create volume and form. Finally, flowers and small plants at the front bring color and detail. This layering creates depth, texture, and richness, turning a flat lawn into a living canvas. Chapter 5: Focal Points and Accents. Every lawn deserves a focal point, something the eyes can rest on. It might be a water fountain, a sculpture, a bird bath, or even a single striking tree. Accents like garden benches, large ceramic pots, or wrought iron gates can also define character. These features do not have to be grand. Even a simple lantern or a rustic wooden archway can become memorable when placed with intention. Chapter 6: Lighting the Night. Landscaping does not end with the sunset. In fact, with the right lighting, your front lawn can look even more enchanting at night. Pathway lights guide the way. Spotlights on trees or walls create dramatic silhouettes. A warm glow near the entrance makes the home feel safe and welcoming. Good lighting is not just about beauty. It is also about security and comfort. Chapter 7: Seasonal Touches and Personality. Your lawn can change with the seasons. In spring, it can burst with tulips and daffodils. In summer, it can shine with roses or hydrangeas. In autumn, pumpkins and golden leaves can decorate the edges. And in winter, evergreen plants and simple lights can keep it alive. Adding personal touches, a family name sign, a favorite color scheme, or even a small herb garden makes the space truly yours.
Chapter 8: Maintenance and Care. Beauty is not just created once, it is maintained. Regular mowing, trimming, watering, and seasonal planting keep the lawn fresh. Smart irrigation systems can save water. Mulching reduces weeds. Choosing native plants lowers maintenance. A front lawn is a relationship. You invest time, and it gives back peace, pride, and harmony.
Your front lawn is more than grass and plants. It is a reflection of you, a living frame for your home, and the very first welcome to every guest who visits. Whether you choose symmetry or curves, bold flowers or quiet greens, the most important thing is that it feels alive, an outdoor handshake that says, "This is home." If you found inspiration here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more ideas that transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary living experiences.